Hello and welcome to the emotional intelligence page. Now I just want to put it back into context and just making sure that this is for you. Have you ever asked yourself, why do I worry so much? Or I get angry so much? Why do I eat or drink or indulge in whatever that may be so much? Or have you ever asked yourself, why do I procrastinate so much? I'm referring and talking about your behaviors. Another question for you. Have you sometimes ever thought about doing something and do something completely different? Or have you also ever make things in your mind being worse than what the actual reality is? Or have you ever sometimes felt that people are always judging you? I'm referring to your thoughts. And for example, now thinking back about your interactions, your relationship, have you ever asked yourself, hey, but why am I always attracted to the same type of people? Or for example, why I just don't understand how they behave? Or for example, why are they trying to hurt me? I'm referring specifically to your interactions, to your behaviors, and to your ability to engage and manage your levels of rapport. Answering to this question is the outcome of mastering personal awareness, personal management, social awareness, and social management. Because here's the problem. You may have not learned the skills to develop your emotional intelligence. But also, would you be interested? Would you be interested in becoming more aware of what's going on inside your mind? Able to manage yourself with confidence, happiness, and rational in what you want to do? Would you also be interested in learning how you could understand yourself, motivate yourself just way more, but also learn how you can make your relationship work smoothly, influence others smoothly? So what are the results and impact of emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is a skill and it can go and improve. This is to impact positively your mental health, your physical health, your performance and impact whether on your career or your personal goals, but also your relationship, your leadership, your influence. Because I'd like you to realize that everything starts with your mind and how you manage it. Now, can you picture how your life or career would be if you knew how to systematically have insight, empowerment, resilience, social flair, pertinent communication, the ability to build partnership, magnetic rapport, being assertive too, learn also how to mediate amongst people, and also influence others. And lastly, how you can have expertise profiling, be able to pick up on people's behavior, because emotional intelligence is a skill, and like all skills, it can be learned and strengthened. So why would you choose Release Your Best? Well, the knowledge and the skills that you will learn here are verified for their accuracy. They're based on proven science and study-based. There's no holistic approach, and it's all focused on results. And if it is empirical, well, it is pragmatic and practical. It is also field tested with many learners and practitioners, practiced by diverse range of professionals and students from all age, gender, and social groups. It is comprehensive. It covers extensive resources and methods on how you can manage your mind and your relationship. And all classes are taught in a positive, non-judgmental, and supporting environment. If you have questions, there's also a FAQ questions all about the course, the most question answered. And if you have more questions or you want to know more, well, you can schedule a free discovery call. Now it's all up to you to go and find out, to go and learn, and go and release your best.